In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Calendar using a web browser. Making your Google Calendar unique and tailored to your needs can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. Let's dive into the process, starting with accessing Google Calendar. The first step is simple. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you've got it open, look up to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see the gear icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you have to select Settings. This is your gateway to all the customization options available. When you're in the Settings menu, you have a variety of customization options at your fingertips. First, let's talk about View Options. This is where you can select whether your week starts on a Sunday or Monday, depending on your preference. You can also choose to display weekends if that's helpful for your scheduling, or opt to hide declined events to keep your calendar tidy. Next, we have event settings. You can change the default duration for your events here. Additionally, there are options for quick adds which allow you to effortlessly add events, and you can modify guest permissions, which is particularly useful for those who often collaborate or have frequent meetings. Under notifications, you can set up desktop alerts or choose to remove email reminders if you're looking to minimize interruptions. And for those who work across time zones or travel frequently, setting your primary and secondary time zones under time zone settings will ensure your calendar always reflects the correct time. After you've adjusted your global settings, click on the back arrow to exit out to the main calendar view. On the left panel of your screen, you'll see a list of your calendars. Hover over the name of the specific calendar you'd like to customize further. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots and you'll have a couple of additional options. One of these is the ability to change your calendar's color. Whether you want color coding for better visual organization or prefer something aesthetic, this is a nice way to personalize your view. Additionally, clicking on settings and sharing gives you more control over that calendar. You can share your calendar with others, adjust their editing permissions, and even modify the default notifications for events in that calendar. This can be incredibly useful if you're managing shared calendars or need to provide access to colleagues or family members. With all these customizations, your Google Calendar can be transformed from a basic agenda into a powerful and efficient tool tailored to your daily needs, helping you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with your newly customized Google Calendar.